Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install IPTV slash Pro in your IPTV. Okay, so there is lots of apps that is not there is IPTV slash Pro. So in this video we will also there is on Poison app. Okay, so first of all we go to the App Store and here we will start search for IPTV. Smartest, okay, in E. And here we will write IPTV smartest. Just scroll down there, and you can find this one smartest player light. You can just verify with this picture. Okay, so here we click. Then you can also verify with these pictures here. IPTV smartest Pro or smartest player light. You click on install, and you click open. Here you must choose Extreme Club and accept policy. And here you need just subscribe to. You can get it from the website in the description or in the video. It's like go weather. It's it's important thing. Okay, so here he will give you the name, username, password, and URL to start watching IPTV. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and to share the video.